And this is the part 2. So here we really come. But this is the time. Forever. Wow. This shop has been closed down. Yeah. Yeah. But there are a lot of shops closed down. But they are not a lot. There's going to be a lot of lives there. But I think because the lives there are very cool. So we're coming into very distant Santi Street, and here is the lift in the building 5. But it's a triple generic. Oh shit! The lift in the building 3, and the lift in the old lift. What is the first time, Dad? Oh shit! Passing. Now I need to shut up. This is down to basement, but it's staff only. So the basically not let me do my each little turn. Because I got rules. I think this shop for one of my shows I need. Now into Tiger, there's a very cool shop. Let's get inside then. Dad, come now. Let's get inside. Oh no! And into the next lift. But we can't stop it all. You jackass. One. Doors closing. Let's going up. Hydraulic. A very old city. So they just hasn't made it. First floor. Background. Doors closing. Lights going down. Ground floor. That's it.